Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to configure Charles Proxy on Android. We'll cover the essential steps to get Charles up and running, allowing you to capture and inspect all network traffic from your mobile applications. This guide will walk you through setting up Charles on your desktop, configuring your Android device's Wi-Fi proxy, and finally, installing the crucial SSL certificate for secure connections. Let's get started. First, let's prepare Charles on your desktop. Open Charles Proxy and navigate to the Proxy menu. It's a good idea to uncheck the Mac OS or Windows Proxy option to prevent Charles from capturing your computer's own traffic. Next, go to Proxy Settings, click the Proxies tab, and ensure the HTTP proxy port is set to 8888. Then, enable SSL proxying in the SSL proxying settings and add a location with asterisk. Asterisk for both host and port to capture all SSL traffic. Finally, find your local IP address under the Help menu. Now let's configure your Android device. Ensure your Android phone or tablet is connected to the exact same Wi-Fi network as your computer running Charles. Go to your Android's Wi-Fi settings, long press on your connected network, and select Modify Network. Expand Advanced Options, change the proxy setting to Manual, and input your computer's IP address as the proxy hostname. For the proxy port, enter 8888, matching your Charles desktop setting. Save these changes. The final step is installing the SSL certificate. On your Android device, open any web browser and go to CHLS Pro/SSL. This will prompt you to download the Charles root certificate. Once downloaded, navigate to your Android settings, search for CA certificate, and install the downloaded certificate. You might need to name it. After installation, when your device attempts to connect through Charles, a prompt will appear on your desktop Charles application asking you to allow the connection. Click Allow to complete the setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.